everyone, I'm D. Kanika Devi from 3rd BA History, St. Mary's College, Autonomous, Thuthukudi. I'm here to explore the topic Rajiv Gandhi and his early life to his politics life. His early life. He was born on 20th August 1944. His father was Feroz Gandhi and his mother was Indira Gandhi. In his education life, by the time of his father's death, Rajiv was away at private boarding school for boys. Initially, boarding school and his Wilhelm's boys' school was located at Derharam, Durban. He was then sent to London in 1961 to his A levels and then to Trinity College in 1962, Cambridge, to study engineering. He then disappeared his Cambridge degree life in 1965 and again continued his life in 1966 and completed his graduation. Rajiv as pilot. Rajiv Gandhi began working for Indian Airlines as a professional pilot while his mother became Prime Minister in 1966. Rajiv Gandhi's entry into politics. His death was followed by his younger brother's death in 1980. Rajiv Gandhi was prosecuted in Indian National Congress Party politicians and his mother to enter politics. He and his wife were both opposed to the idea and he would not contest for his brother's seat. Nevertheless, he eventually announced his candidacy for parliament. He fought his first election for Amita Lok Sabha seat. In this by-election, he defeated local leader Sharad Yadav by more than 20,000 lakhs votes. Assassination of Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister of India, was assassinated on 31st October 1984. She was killed by the two of her Sikh bodyguards, Satwant Singh and Bien Singh, to avenge the military attack on the Harmandir Sahib, that is the Golden Temple of the Sikhs. Death of Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was rushed to AIIMS immediately after shooting. She died 1 hour late, undergoing surgery to remove 7 of 20 bullets that wounded her. She was then cremated on 3rd November near Rajghat at an area named Shakti Sal. Rajiv Gandhi as Prime Minister of India. Gandhi was in West Bengal when his mother was assassinated on 31st October by her bodyguards. Top Congress leaders as well as President Sal pressed Rajiv to become India's Prime Minister within hours of his mother's assassination by two of her Sikh bodyguards. Soon after assuming office, Rajiv asked President Zali Singh to dissolve parliament and hold the Lok Sabha year term. Rajiv Gandhi was officially becoming the president of the Congress party. Rajiv thus revived hope's enthusiasm amongst the Indian public for the Congress. His economic policy was a huge number. He increased his government support for science and associated industries and then introduced measures significantly for the licensed Raj, allowing business and individuals to purchase capital, consumer goods, and import without bureaucratic restriction. His foreign policy was also significantly from his mother's socialism. He improved bilateral relations with the United States and expanded economic and scientific cooperation. During his state visit to the Soviet Union, he met with Premier Nikolai Andrei Gromyov of the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Mikhail Gorbachev. Current crisis. During the late 1980s, Gandhi's administration failed to slow the 30% fall in the value of the Indian rupee from 12 to 17. Conclusion. From this, we can understand the politics and early life of Rajiv Gandhi